Hi all. I am Clara, your host. Welcome all to this brand new podcast show. Want a boat cleaning service that stands out? See Shine Florida Cleaners LLC is your trusted partner for expert yacht and boat cleaning services. They specialize in providing top-quality cleaning for both commercial and residential boats. Their team ensures every detail of your vessel gets the attention it deserves. With them, you can enjoy a pristine boat that's always ready for the water. Moreover, they bring years of experience and attention to detail to every cleaning job. Browse shinefloridacleaner.com for more details. That's all for today. I will be back soon with another episode, so stay tuned.